Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back for another episode. In this, I am going to show you how to actually skip trace your data. Now, in the last video, I showed you how to pull the data, the criteria that you could use to find motivated sellers. Now, once we've done that, we need phone numbers, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen, okay? You can follow along after pulling that list, now how to actually get phone numbers so we can start picking up one of these, okay, and making some dials and making some money. So let me share my screen here and let's get going. Here we go. So if on the last video I showed you this, remember, batchleads.io/Gavin, you're going to get 5,000 free records. I showed you exactly the criteria to pull and how to do it. Okay, you do not have to pull them all at once. I think we did about 250 something. And now I'm going to show you how to skip trace them. So once we've pulled the data within batch leads.io, all right, we're going to go and find that list. So I'm going to go to properties because I pulled it within this system. And when it loads, we're going to go to filter. Now I'm going to just do the list that I just pulled. I'm not going to do stack any together. I'm going to show you stacking in actually another video. So this is it. The Port St. Lucie list is right here. I'm going to apply filters. Now, what I can do is it's going to categorize them across the bottom. But if I want to take all of them, I'm just going to highlight them. And there's 251. Again, this is really, really simple, guys. So 251 that I've selected. I go to actions. All right. And I go to skip trace. Now, this is the cool part. Batch will actually save you money if you pull a lot of lists. Now, as I've got over 50,000 records, so when I've skipped trace Florida before, there's only 86 records out of 251 that I've not already skipped. So it's not going to allow me to pay for the same data again, which is costing, right? It saved me over half the amount just by using this software. So you're going to get your money's worth by using it. And again, we're going to do another video on skip tracing, but this is just one way. It automatically says, hey, you've already skip traced the records, but there's 86 that you haven't. We're going to skip trace them. Now, if I wanted to override it, I could click that and it would give me the 251 if I wanted to. So basically, instead of $25, I'm only going to pay $8. And we're talking about 251 leads. Imagine if I was doing 1,000 leads, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 leads. You're going to save hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by doing this if you are big into it. So pretty simple. What we're going to do is name the list. I mean, I guess we just call it what we called the last list, which was what? Port St. Lucie Bacon. Okay. Skip trace. All right. Now I can tag if I wanted to. I'm going to do this and I'm going to create a new tag. Okay. I'm just going to do it again. I'm just going to call it St. Lucie Bacon. Okay. All right. I'm going to save that. Now I can pay the balance or I can use my wallet. It's just there. So I'm going to select wallets. Or I can pay using my wallet or I can pay now using my card. I'm just going to use what's in my account. So I'm going to purchase that. Okay. And so it shows down here that it was successful. Now all I do was I come down to skip tracing and boom, here it is. So you can see that it's processing. Okay. This doesn't take very long. There's only 86 of them. So I can refresh. Okay, it's not ready yet. It won't, I mean, I don't want to sit here and wait, but basically when it's ready, I can just export this folder if I wanted to. If I'm going to put it in somewhere else, if I'm sending mail to it, whatever I'm doing, I can export the list and it comes straight on my computer, or I can use the softwares within Batch. If I want to send it to a text campaign, I can send it there. So I can do various things, okay, with it. But this is how you're going to do it. This is how you're going to save money, okay? And you will be able to then start making calls today, whether you're just using your phone, okay, or you're using the dialer. Batch has a dialer now, and I can give you, this is the cool thing, if you want to test this out and get a 7-day trial, if you go to batchdialer.com/Gavin, I think I can get a 7-day. Yeah, 7-day trial. So you can actually use Batch Dialer if you want to call your leads. You can literally do free, minimal spend on the data. So free list, minimal spend on the data to then test the dialer all within days and get sell leads coming in. And you can cancel it all if it doesn't work for you. So that's why this is awesome. But this saving, guys, on skip tracing is going to be insane. Let me just check one more time, see if this is in. And it is. Look, we're done. We're ready. So boom, I got 94% hit rate. It cost me $8.10, and I'm ready to go. Now, again, I could push it to the dialer. I could push it to the text campaign. If I wanted to do direct mail in here, I could, or I could export the list. If I want to export the list, it's pretty simple. I bring it out, okay, and I will open it up here and show it to you. Let me let me just come back. And I need to stop sharing and share the right document that I just pulled up here. It's just gone really crazy big. Let me just shorten this out. All right, now share again. Let's go here, and this is data. So share my screen. Here it is. So this is the data. It's probably too small for you to see, but you're going to get first name, last name. Okay, you're going to get the property address that you're going to call, and then you're going to have the phone numbers here. The phone numbers are there. We just need to make the columns bigger. Okay, and you're going to get phone numbers. It's going to tell you if it's a landline or a mobile, and you're going to get the first number, the second number, the third number, the fourth, the seventh, the 10th number, right? Now, for me, I only normally call about numbers 1 to 3, maybe 4, because the probability of it actually being right after 3 times is about 2%, I believe. So you have to watch, guys, that you are not, okay, calling and spending a lot of time if you're using VAs on data that it's not going to be right after them first 3. So really focus on the first 3. Now, again, if you're not using a dialer, that's fine. Pick up one of these, get the spreadsheets there, and you can start create a note section. You can, condense all that information that I just showed you into first name, last name, property address, notes, and the phone numbers that you're going to call. Okay, and you can start dialing. So no excuses at this part. All right, so hopefully this helps. It's going to save you money, so you're going to thank me. All right, and yeah, I'm going to go more into list hacking and the things that I do on my business. I use this every single day in my business. I am not showing you something that I'm not using. All right, so hey, hopefully you like this video. Do me a favor, drop me a like, subscribe to the channel, drop any comments, give it a share. If someone else needs to see this, go ahead and share it. I'm here to deliver as much value as I can. So I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.